If you want to trade a funded futures account using Apex Trader funding with Tradovate, we'll show you how. So after purchasing or passing an evaluation, Apex sends you login details. So you'll get the username, password, and connection instructions. So keep that email open during this setup. So this is the window with your login credentials and where you actually put everything in. So you go to Tradovate login, make sure you select the correct server type. So evaluation demo environment and funded live environment. Using the wrong server will prevent login. Enter the credentials provided by Apex, not your own Tradovate account, and then click on login. If correct, you'll see your funded account in the accounts list. Then in Tradovate's order panel, select your Apex account from the dropdown. Always confirm this before placing trades to avoid sending orders to the wrong account. Then make sure charts load and prices move. If data isn't updating, log out and back in, or confirm market data is enabled inside your Apex dashboard. So this is how you use your Apex Trader funding with Tradovate. Log in with Apex credentials, choose the correct server, select your account, and start trading. Enjoy the guide, like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.